Vacuum sealing is a fantastic way of preparing and storing your meats, cheeses, and pre-made meals when you're out camping, on the road, or even at home. And the Adventure King's vacuum sealer is powerful and effective at getting the job done. Included is the 375cm long vacuum sealer in slick black with liftable lid, an air hose, a 1.2 meter detachable power cord for easy storage, and 10 20 by 30cm pre-cut BPA-free sealer bags to get you started. On the vacuum sealer, there are 4 easy to use buttons. Accessory, which is for the air hose function and is compatible with rubber wind stoppers, some vacuum storage boxes, and reusable sealing bags. To attach the air hose, simply plug it into the internal socket. Seal, which seals only. Vac seal, which vacuums then seals. And stop, which stops whatever function is being used at the time. To vacuum seal, simply pop in the bag and push down the sides of the lid until you hear them click into place, and press vac seal. The vacuum sealer will stop automatically when it's done. Too easy. So get organised today with the super practical and impressive Adventure King's vacuum sealer.